Hello, hello. Sorry, haven't been on much. This is just a really quick update. As you can see, we finally topped out of Bitcoin. Got up pretty bloody high, nearly tapped into that 74k mark. Looks like we're sort of just doing lower highs, lower lows at the moment. A little double bottom here, which did push it up quite a way, but it'll be interesting. If it sort of breaks down from this level here, I would be expecting it to go back down and probably do another lower low. But that's a pretty solid double bottom too. Quite a bit of volume around that bottom. So I mean, nothing compared to the actual trading days. This is a weekend, but still reasonable weekend volume. Just go quickly to the daily, because if we show that pi cycle top, yeah, it looks like we broke out, but we're back within it. The weekly, yeah, never really broke out. It was slightly above, I think, at that point, but not looking great at the moment. We've only got an hour left for this one. I think it seems unlikely that it's actually going to go and go higher, which is sort of my criteria for this to keep going, really. So I think we'll end up tracking back in here. We're a long way from these moving averages. Like these two moving averages here are like 8 and 13. That one's, I think, a 50 or a 20. But yeah, we're a long way from that. So potentially, expect to come back into the maybe even around the mid 50s. I've got a couple of dollar cost averaging sort of buy-ins on the way down here. I don't think it'll go much lower than that, but I think this run will sort of take us to a point where it'll probably be the lowest we'll see it again for quite a while. Because I think either leading into like the week before, maybe a couple of days before the halving, we'll probably find the bottom, and then we'll take off again. It might keep going through the halving and then pick up just after, but it's going to be somewhere around there, I suspect, just based on what it's done in the past. So yeah, bit of a bounce on today's candle. We still haven't crossed that 8 and 13, which is kind of if we do cross, I'd be expecting more sort of sideways and down. We'll just have to wait and see what it looks like after this candle. This here's not a bad target, the 57 at the moment, just for this 50 EMA on the daily. But again, the bottom of the pi cycle indicator is down around that 49.50. It's probably, by the time it gets down there, it'll probably be up into the low 50s as well. So I think that there's going to be a fair bit of support here, I think. But we could sort of just chop sideways for a little bit until we break below this sort of area, and this breaking below this wick would see us come down, I think, probably to that low 50s. Anyway, that's just what I'm looking at. Cyclic RSI looks like we are finally going to break to the downside of the bands. So yeah, it's if we stay in this range, then wow, it's goodbye to the 50s, really. But yeah, I'm expecting more sort of down to the side over the next couple of weeks at least. I'll be away for work for the next couple of weeks. I'll see what I can do in terms of updating. Catch you later.